In this video, we're going to review the Zeta 6 J-Clip. I'm Harrison with Harry's Holsters, and today we're talking about the Zeta 6 J-Clip. I'm a fairly experienced revolver shooter. I have a lot more experience shooting semi-autos, but we're going to go out today. We're going to get some average times for using this as well. We're going to talk about concealment and just how this is going to work for somebody that wants to have this as a reload option for a J-frame style revolver. So these Zeta J-Clips are made for Ruger LCRs as well as the Smith & Wesson J-frame. They can work with the Taurus 605, but it can be a little bit harder than using it with the other two options since this doesn't perfectly align with it. So this J-Pack is just a polymer, non-mechanical device that holds rounds inside the actual device. Very simple. It's got this tab on the side. You place the rounds inside the revolver and you're gonna pull the tab up, the rounds pull away. So let's go shoot this, see how it actually works. All right, so after shooting this 5 separate times, we had times that went from 9 seconds to 16 seconds, and the average time for reloading using this was around 11 seconds. It's really slow to reload with this. And we've also tested some other options out here today, and normal strips like this Zeta, I believe this is called the J-strip, or just an old like Bianchi style strip, are actually the same speed or maybe even a little bit faster than I found using this because of the amount of force and pressure it requires to unload this. It also places a lot of strain, I feel like, on this connector, the crane, between the cylinder and the actual revolver frame itself. So it could cause damage to your revolver using this over and over again. Another thing is it doesn't conceal well inside the pocket. I mean, you can drop it in there, it works fine, but how are you gonna get it oriented reliably to get it out of your pocket? You could use some sort of carrier in there, but it's wide. It doesn't offer any advantage over something like this Safari Land speed loader or say an HKS. They are a lot cheaper than the other options I mentioned, but they're all at that price point. I don't think you're saving anything by going with this. So in hindsight, I can't suggest this product to you for concealed carry or anything other than just playing around with the range, and I don't think it has any benefits over other options out there. Hope you guys have found this video helpful, and remember, take charge and carry with confidence.